Hey guys, it is
Me.
What's your name, stupid?
Everybody attack him. He just called me a name.
What's your name, stupid? Tra-la-la-la-la-la-la. I didn't mean that at all. Anyway,
They know who I am. They know this voice.
welcome to the final episode of the...
Unboxing extravaganza.
Oh my god, what just happened to my...
Ow! I just
Oh my
broke
god,
nail.
I think what happened to my voice, oh, dang it. Well, welcome to the final part of my awesome...
Unboxing stuff.
Yeah.
Keep
I'm
going.
really sad. It's the final. But here it is. Final bay is
Better
Poison
than the
Virgo.
last one, which was orange, which was no bueno.
Wait, you speak Chinese?
I
I didn't know that. But here it is. It's Beyblade Metal Masters. Hasbro WBBA B117. I think this is actually a Beyblade that was on the TV show, believe it or not.
Cool.
Cartoon never released it. I don't think they did, at least.
You're gonna get a bunch of messages about
Yes, they did. They released it in a special edition box. Only available in China. That's what they're probably going to say. Poison Virgo. ED145ES.
You want to sit on the bed? Fine. It's baby note.
Hasbro fail.
Say baby.
Look, what does the part say right there? Look what it says, really, really close. Now look, what's the part?
What is wrong?
That's funny. It's 145. They say it's ED145. ED145 is the one that like spins. It's actually on Rock Aries. Get that. Well, I'll show that to you right now. Okay, guys, I am back, and okay, here's ED145. There's ED145, and there's 145. Normal. It says ED145, which means that it's supposed to be like this, maybe in a different color. I don't. And then even the back it says Eternal Defense Hooks Strike Opponents. You fail, Hasbro. That's a fail. So his bay doesn't look too promising. At least it got ES and Poison and Virgo, right? No, never mind, that's Striker, and I'm just kidding. So yeah, let's just do that. That makes it. Yes. Yep, it's just a bay. Look, yes, let's just say it's like that. So let's get to the actual unbox. Let's get to the actual unboxing. Let's bring out the big guns. How am I going to cut this? Ah! Never mind. Tool, black. Ripcord, blue. Looks black, but it's blue. My favorite color blue right here. Favorite color blue. Wait, is that blue?
Yes.
That's not blue. Look at that. That's not
You're
blue.
like blind. It's
That's
blue.
violet.
No, it's not.
That
It's
is
blue.
violet.
It's royal blue.
Okay,
Colorblind.
it shows blue.
You know what?
That is
Comments
violet.
in the comments if you think
But
it
it says it shows that it's blue, but it's violet.
Not violet.
Oh my god.
It is royal blue. Thank you for trying.
Look at it. They're
Thank you for
completely different
trying.
colors.
No. It's the LED light. It's changing it. Thank you.
Here,
Comment
let me
colorblind.
turn it off.
Now it's
Look at that.
brown and black.
Look at that. It's royal
No, turn it back on it.
violet. Violet.
You're so
Totally violet. Even though it shows blue, it's violet. And if you guys say it's not violet, then you guys are probably
awesome.
Anyways, code. Inside of the code, here is the tip. Eternal Sharp. ES. Spins well. You spin me right round, baby. Come on. You're supposed to laugh, Mama Nook.
I'm sorry, what?
Whatever. Here is the face bolt. I actually really like this face bolt. It's like weird greenish gold on black.
Printed?
Yes, it's printed. All Metal Master Bays are printed. Sherlock?
Master Bays.
What?
Master Bays. You walked into it.
Oh, here's their
Call me if you got that joke.
here's our ED-145. Yeah. Actually, it doesn't even look like 145. It looks like 130. Probably is 145 though. Here's their ED-145. Again, this is ED. Wait, what was I? There you go. This is ED-145. I wonder what it would be like if the Bay was actually having an ED-145.
You will see that in a battle.
Very, very soon.
Like,
you'll spin
right after this is
right
uploaded.
round, baby, right round, like a record, baby, right round, round, round.
Okay. Keep going.
I'm getting hypnotized. Leave me alone. Okay. So, yeah, again, ED-145.
Say baby.
Baby. Here, phone. Phone! Get the phone! Guy! Imagine that, okay. My most favorite Virgo wheel yet. It's blue. What's my favorite color, guys? Blue. Oh, well, this is off to the side. It's a Portuguese Yu-Gi-Oh card. It's first edition, too. Or should I say first Edical? I don't know. And there is
Coolio.
Poison. I don't like Poison though. It's really, really light and sort of useless.
It looks like it would be heavy.
No, it's kind of light. Don't touch it.
Ooh, my nails look good.
Don't touch it.
Let me see it.
No. No. Go away. No.
One day you should tie me putting together a bay.
Okay, now let's build this. Oh wait, nope. We gotta get the ED-145. And we have to get the face bolt. Maybe it's called they failed and called it a bolt face. That sounds like something you'd hear in a horror movie. That'd be a good horror movie character. Bolt face. Kind of sounds like something off of 13 Ghosts, though. There it is. There is our Poison Virgo ED-145. Yes.
Still looks cool. It would look better with the actual ED.
Let's see what it looks like with ED, shall we? The proper version. Whatever. What? There you go.
Baby Nook, no modern warfare.
I can't do that. I just love the throwing knife kills. Even though Aaron. Okay, look. Here's what it would look like with ED. Here's what it would look like with ED. Much better in my opinion. So that is pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoy this unboxing. Hasbro fails. Have fun and
say bay away.
have fun and bay away. See you guys.
Bye.